Hi, I'm Paul Scott Black. I'm the Bow Tie Gourmet on a Saturday without my bow tie, making a simple, quick and easy meal with some basic ingredients. We're going to do a flatbread pizza. We have two, so we're going to do two different kinds. We picked up our chicken from Costco, some red onion, pineapple, and then we got some sauces. We're going to do a barbecue chicken and then a buffalo chicken, and we got some ranch. So we're going to get started prepping some materials, cut up our chicken, our veggies and fruit, and then we're going to assemble our pizza, and it's going to be real quick.
We're going to start by breaking down our chicken. I love these Costco chickens. It's great to get these and just make up some sides and have it, or you can do something like this and make these flatbread pizzas. Anytime chicken's involved, there's going to be dinger. We're just going to continue to cut this chicken up into small little bits so it's easy to top our flatbreads with.
I doubt all this chicken is going to be used for our pizza, so we're going to save it and maybe we'll make some chicken salad out of it later.
Next, we're going to break down our pineapple. We want to chop this up into small bits. We don't want large chunks of pineapple on our flatbread.
We're going to use some red onion on our pizza to give it a little savory flavor.
I just love the bold taste of red onions. It's going to go great on these flatbreads. We're going to slice these nice and thin. I decided to crisp up some bacon for the barbecue chicken flatbreads. It's going to go great on those. We're just going to take it and give it a little chop. So for our barbecue chicken flatbread, we're going to take some of our chicken and we're going to combine it with some barbecue sauce. I like some Sweet Baby Ray's. And then for our buffalo chicken flatbread, we're going to take some of our chicken and of course combine it with some buffalo sauce.
Alright, it's time to assemble our pizzas. We're going to take our flatbread. I'm going to lay them out. And we're going to take a little, for our barbecue chicken flatbread, we're going to take a little barbecue sauce and just lay it across. And then we're just going to smear it out with a spoon. I took some buffalo sauce and added some ranch in there. We're just going to spread that out. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we are going to put our chicken on for our barbecue chicken. Okay, then we're going to take our cheese. We're going to use two types of cheese. We're going to use some cheddar, and then we're going to use some mozzarella. And then we're just going to add some of our other elements. We're going to add some bacon. Add some onion. Then we're going to add some of our pineapple. And there you go. Alright, so for our buffalo chicken, we're just going to spread some chicken out. Okay, and then we're going to add some cheddar and mozzarella like we did for the barbecue chicken. Then we're going to add some red onions. Okay. Now we certainly could add the rest of this bacon if we wanted to. I'm not feeling it. If you wanted to, you could add some blue cheese crumbles either now or at the end. I'm going to do a drizzle of ranch across the top at the end, but these bad boys are ready to go into the oven. We've preheated our oven to 425. We're gonna say 10 minutes. This is the first time I've done these like this, so we're gonna cross our fingers and hope they turn out as good as I think they are. So let's pop these bad boys into the oven. All right, let's see how these look. Oh yeah. They are looking good.
Now, we're just going to drizzle a little ranch on our buffalo chicken flatbread. And then it's time to take these flatbreads and cut them into slices. I'm doing like a diagonal pattern. Makes it more like a pizza slice.
All right, moment of truth. We got our barbecue chicken pizza. We got our buffalo chicken pizza. We have Braden and my lovely wife, Christine. And we're gonna try these right now. So, get back right.
Thank you. All right, you first. I'll try this because clearly nobody wants to try it.
Well, I'm going to.
Mmm.
Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Mmm, great.
So what's that taste like, Braden? Is it like sweet?
It's a little sweet. It's good with the pineapple,
Oh,
and the barbecue makes it a lot better.
I'm surprised you like the pineapple.
This is good.
The ranch is delicious.
It's a little bit spicy, but I mean, you could use mild if you wanted to. All right, I'm going in for. You want to try this one? Ray, you want to try the buffalo?
Sadly.
Sadly. All right,
He's the comedian over here.
the comedian.
Not him.
I haven't told any jokes in this video.
Wow.
That's why he's not
This
gonna
one
get any
is
views.
so good.
Is it good? Uh-oh. Dinger wants some.
Oh no. This one's really good. I love it.
Very cool. All right. So there you have it. Buffalo chicken pizza, barbecue chicken pizza. We gotta let Dinger in. He wants some. This is the bow tie gourmet, Paul Scott Black. The family.
Brayden.
Yeah. And we're gonna be bringing you some more videos. A little bit different format. So if you like this, please click like, share it, subscribe. Yeah, all the things.